they're up quickly. Plenty of attacking players in this move, and it's a defender and he strikes to a goal! Excellent save from Victor Valdez. Well, they've got a corner. wSKw. Iniesta. Good, strong challenge. Quick feet, dancing feet, brilliant. In with a chance. And he's in there with a header. And it's in! The header! Great goal! And that's one certainly for the description of Alan Smith.
Yeah, getting up above his centre-half. He had no chance. Well, it was a good effort, and I think it was a good save. And he could do nothing about it. The only criticism of the keeper you would have, Martin, is he didn't parry it away out of the danger zone.
And the score is 1-0. wSKw. Good work from the referee. Play on as an advantage. The attack carrying a bit of weight here, and the defenders needing some reinforcements. Jesus Navas! Well, they're not going to rush to take the corner. They're a goal up, but it could lead to another chance to score. And it's a headed effort at goal. Got the jump right, got the contact reasonably right, but didn't get the power with the header.
No, just goes to show even the best can fail at times.
Here's Sidwell. The Amsterdam Arena, relatively new home for Ajax. They had their previous ground in the Olympic Stadium here in Amsterdam.
Yeah, I think it probably took some adjusting for Ajax, but they're settled here now, and I think the Dutch public in general they like coming along to support them.
Referee quick to stamp out anything that's rash or reckless in these early minutes. Can he turn away from the challenge here? And he goes for goal! And that's xPROzZx with a save, a superb stop. Well, they're a goal up, and now they've got a corner here. And it's a header, still in play here. Tackle here, and he's given that everything. Oh, it's off the bar! Can go in from here. Catch him if you can.
There was no chance. Only one winner in that race.
What a chance! That's a brilliant goal. It's a great goal from a very good team.
Yeah, and I think their midfielders, Martin, they are a class above the opponents today.
Now it's 2-0. Duff. wSKw. And the pass doesn't get through because the defender actually recognised the direction it was coming in quickly. Keeps it going well. And he takes the shot. Well, he's lost the ball here. Oh, how has he failed with that? Mascherano. They're passing it well here. And in the middle, he's got some help. Iniesta! The goalkeeping is brilliant from Mark xPROzZx. Coming up now, a corner. Puyol is goal with a brilliant header. One of the great sights in football to see the net bulging from a fine header like this.
Yeah, rolls back the years, doesn't it? A real striker's goal, that one. Oh, what a corner, what a well-worked corner that was. Everybody knew their place, they knew what they were doing. Came off perfectly.
Well, they are dominating, and the force is with them, as the scoreline shows. wSKw. Ball goes out of play here quite clearly. An attempted pass, not a good one. In with the challenge. And the player's got into space. That's a good pass. Needs to be quick. He's kept that one out well, but that's the sort of save he'll be hoping that he has to make throughout the game. Nothing more difficult than that. wSKw. Higuain. Lars Bender. Quick change of possession here. Throw in here. On throw is intercepted. Well executed. I wouldn't call that defending, he's away. Good punch by the keeper. Excellent play to lose his marker. Well, he fancied it. The close back into play. The Jagger. Higuain. Good ball. Great, and it leads to this shot. The service was superb, the shot wasn't.
Yeah, there you go, on a plate, but just couldn't take advantage.
Good advantage played, good decision now to book the original offender.
Yeah, I think so. You always want to see advantage played, don't you? But I think he had to go back and issue the yellow.
Mamadou Diarra. Offside flag up against Falcao. Quick ball. Here he is with a chance. Great chance. And he goes for goal. Goal! And that's a great moment for them because that probably has decided the game.
I think so. Totally in charge. They can almost relax now.
It's a lead that they thoroughly deserve here. It's becoming a one-way traffic, really. Ruiz. Kazakov. Ruiz. It's a shame for the player, really. He's a creative player, but that wasn't very creative with that pass. Good ball. Sliding challenge. That looked painful. That's a pulled muscle, I think. And here's the shot. Ruiz. The Jagger. Well, can you believe what we've seen in the first half? Half-time. It's only halfway, but a decent performance so far.
Yeah, they've seen more of the ball, more possession, and they've used it well.